Hey guys, welcome to Milano's YouTube, and today we're going to be talking about must-have wig accessories for beginners. So one of the first wig accessories that I highly recommend for beginners is getting a wig grip. So what's really cool with the wig grips, they really secure your wig to your head. They're really comfortable. They prevent slipping. So there's topper grips, wig grips, there's even ones with lace on the top for lace top wigs. So you can definitely get a wig grip, and I recommend getting 2 of them so you have like a backup in case you like lost one or you don't know where it is. So I have 2 different wig grips right now. So this is the wig cap. It's perfect if you want to tuck all your hair away, and also for someone that's like sensory and they don't want their wig touching like their head, like if it's itchy, this is perfect, creates that barrier. It's super soft as well. And this one is the wig grip, more like a headband, and it's very secure and just really easy and light. A second highly recommended wig accessory is a sturdy mannequin head. So this is the abstract white head. You can use like a clamp or a suction to make your mannequin head really sturdy so you're able to style and curl your hair. The abstract head is great for storing your wig when you are not wearing your hairpiece. This ensures the cap has a round mold like a head shape, so it keeps the wig looking really natural and prevents bulking. Another accessory that you need is a gentle brush and a teasing comb. So the gentle brush is really easy to just like comb your wigs and hair, and then the teasing comb kind of helps create that volume and blend that you would need. Another item you would need is a hot tool. So if you want to style your wig at home, so here's a flat iron. You can either straighten your hair or create beautiful curls. So you can also have T-pins for your mannequin head so you can secure the head where you want it and be able to style it, and it keeps the wig in place. Another accessory for storing your wig is our acrylic stand that is collapsible, and you notice here that it's bigger in the back, so when you put your wig on to kind of store, it can just kind of go on like this, and it keeps the head shape. Not only is it great for storing, but you can use it for travel because it's detachable, so super easy to pack. For those who love to travel, we also have our traveling case, which is great for storing your hair while you're on the go. So the first thing you would do is open up the case and put the cap in, roll all of the extra hair and stick it in the middle with the cap facing up. Make sure the bangs or the hair are not rolling out. It's really roomy and perfect to store multiple wigs. They don't get tangled, and it's really great.